So hi everyone, I'm Jay and today we are going to see two-node instability in the routing protocol. So you can see that there are three routers X, A and B. A is having its routing table and from the routing table A knows that to reach the router X it has to travel 2 unit distance. If B wants to reach to the router X, it has to travel 6 distance. Okay, 4 plus 2, 6. Right now we are interested to reach the router X. A and B wants to reach to router X. So only one entry is present in the routing table. Now what happens in the routing protocol that these all routers share its information to all the neighbors. So after some time, let's say after every 3 seconds or after every 5 seconds, they are sharing its data. And from the data, this router will create a new table. So let's say after some time, the link between A to X is broken. So when the link between A to X is broken, A finds that now there is a no way possible to reach the router X. So A marks this information infinite because A cannot reach any way to router X. B doesn't know this thing. So you can see that the routing table of B is having the value 6. So B doesn't know that the link is broken and B is thinking that there is a way possible via the device A, via the router A to reach X. So B knows that it can reach to X via A and the distance is 6. But this is not true actually. After some time, because these all routers share information, B is sharing its data to A before A is sharing its data to B, and because B is sharing first to A, now A finds that B has found some new path to reach to router X, but B actually doesn't know. The thing that happened is that B has shared its information before A is sharing, and because B is sharing the old information, the table of A gets updated, and now in the A you can say that A can reach to X via B and distance is 10 because 6 plus 4 is 10. Now after some time A will share the information, and if A will share the information, the B will think that it can reach to X via A, and A thinks that it can reach to X via B, and neither of them are right. And after some time the value in both of the table will be infinite, and this is known as two node instability. Now can you tell me what is the solution of two node instability? The solution is the information which is received from the router will not be shared back to the same router. What I am trying to say is that B gets to know that if it wants to reach to X, it can go via the router A and distance is 6. So B has received the information from the router A because the router A is the closest to router X. So because B has received that information from A, it will not share the same information to A. So it will share no information regarding to router X to the device A because that particular information is received from device A itself, and that is the solution of two node instability.